Hi ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to the channel, and we're in the Ferrari, as you can see, so it's 3:08 wrench time. We're actually headed up to Union Bridge, Maryland, and we are going to John Tokar's shop again, Vintage Restorations, not to pick up anything Triumph related, but for the annual car show. Can you believe it has been a year since we gave away a Mark II Volkswagen Jetta diesel live on this channel at this car show a year ago? So, hi ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome to Union Bridge, Maryland. This is the first time I've ever gone live before, so we are. Yeah, we all have to wait. Absolutely. Here's part of the panel, right? A year ago. So just waiting for a few people to show up. We've got Gary riding along. We've got Mitch on the motorcycle on 2 wheels. Nice little road adventure through Central Maryland, and gonna head up towards Panhandle, Union Bridge. Let's get into it.
She got me staying up all night. She got me losing my mind. She got me shaking to my core, trying to keep it together now, falling to pieces to just the side of a smile. She don't remember me, she don't remember me. I think she's the one.
Lotus.
Alistair!
How you doing? Now there's a little bit of steam coming off there.
Yeah, she leaks oil and then burns off the manifold. Yeah. Hey, I know this guy. Did we just see Neil on the road? Was he here?
Yes, you probably did. My sister has it.
We just passed him.
Was he by the side of the road?
No. He was. Yeah, look at that. It hasn't been that long. Yeah, it's just.
What he says to everybody in this age group. It's their saying. We're on the right side of the church, right?
It was a family car, and she said she wanted one, so I found this many years ago, and we mechanically I put it back together. It'd been sitting for 15 years. John did some of the rust repairs on it years ago, and my wife just enjoys driving it.
That's cool.
She took her dad out in it to reminisce, and the family, because they had 5 girls and two parents in there.
Whoa.
Wow.
So this is her toy.
It up, huh?
Yeah,
that's pretty cool.
For having fun.
Right.
Neat. It's a Triumph 10. I've never heard of it, never seen one before, so. A DeSoto. Wow, look at that. This would not fit in my garage. No, you're good. There's no way that, like, this is longer than my garage.
I'm right in Tony's house. This isn't far either, so I like when they're a little close. Oh, yeah.
Beautiful paint job.
I just hate getting on the damn beltway.
Look at that. It's just gorgeous.
Damn people are crazy the way they drive. Let me put my things down so my car won't.
This is my speed. Is it a stick shift?
Quality slow car.
Nope, it is not. This is a slush box. Wow, this car is super slow. I love the body color hubcaps.
Didn't Patrick buy one of those?
Oh yeah. These are cool.
I like that color.
I love the color. I actually even like the two-tone.
Yeah, I mean, there's some cars that you get away with it, right?
Yeah,
It's not universally a good thing on every car.
but that looks
yeah,
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Morgan's good.
Yeah, this really
The
is.
Civil War had Pennsylvania, so it's all.
I saw a
come
freaking
to
Morgan
all
three-wheeler going through Annapolis, I think.
All right, so do you know the story about he's into scale model trains?
Yeah, I
Like-
saw that in your video.
Yeah. So it looks like he's pulled it out. You gotta see this. It's amazing.
30 radiations and 6 yeah. Very purple platinum. Oh, I could taste the damn platinum in my mouth for a month after they cleared it. That came down. Of course, my appetite totally went to hell. When I didn't throw up because of the really.
Put that on your Christmas tree.
How many of the parts did you buy? Considering how, like the little game.
Look at this guy.
Okay, who else wants to go?
That's awesome.
Keep on practicing, preacher. I like that sound.
Hair does not like radiation.
You built this from scratch. Oh, that's
Based on a 1913 Baldwin West locomotive. Weighs over 2,000 pounds. It'll pull 10 cars with 20 people. And it's a coal fired. Here, see? Anybody that's operated a full-size locomotive would run this thing. It sounds exactly the same. Here's your coal. The water's in here.
Which means you're qualified now to run a full-size locomotive.
Yeah, I've worked on the ones over at the B&O Museum, the Rail Museum.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
I worked on these, on that. And then I used Baldwin locomotive engineering drawings and scaled everything down. The stuff that I couldn't buy, I fabricated. Just some stuff you can buy, like castings and stuff. Like there's the tender. This is the actual tender. That was drawn from there. See, here's the scaled down numbers here.
Tiffany gives her Holland. She was coming and her boyfriend dragged her to go party. He's in a lump. But I made sure I made it. Appreciate it, man.
So, you know I'm into the 80s cars, right? So, one of my favorites of all time is the Toyota MR2 AW11. I mean, it looks rough, but these things have all rusted away. Like,
Yeah.
this one is in surprisingly good shape.
Ron Bryce had one of these for a while.
No kidding.
Yeah. It was originally his dad's. I think his dad might have bought it like new.
Yeah. Surprisingly small Porsche contingent here today. Oh, it of a cockpit. Hey!
All right.
Gentlemen,
Good morning.
good morning.
Yes, we were just talking about you.
About whether
What did you bring?
Ferrari.
Is it here somewhere?
Yeah, it's right on the other side of that Lotus.
All right.
But it's so small you can't see it. Yep.
Oh, Jim's here.
Yep, Jim's here. I
Neil?
see Neil's car.
Yeah.
I haven't actually seen Neil. Gary's here. He came with me.
Alistair.
Yep. Is Scott bringing what is it?
TVR.
TVR. Okay, I haven't seen that
There's
one.
one TVR here, but we were looking at it.
Scott is supposed to be bringing one of these too. Is that one right there maybe? It's got the same kind of shape of the... A little bit. Well, all right, on the off chance that somehow the Roman sees this, there it is. Here's your car, man. Wow. It's got the right wheels. It's the four-wheel drives. Man. Wow, the interior looks fantastic. Who bought this and put it away for 40 years? Like, that's...
I don't know. I don't know how that happened.
I don't know how that happens either, but that's fantastic.
Blue. The question is, does this one have an under-dash turntable? Because that was a thing.
No, this one doesn't, but man, the dash is in really good shape.
Household wheels.
Restored or original condition?
Most of it's original, yeah. It's been repainted once,
Sure.
and but the interior, other than the front seats, are original.
That's amazing. Has it been in your family or in your care for you just?
I've had it for 8 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Did you have to hunt for a while to find
I did.
Yeah, for
3 years.
Yeah. What part of the country did it come from?
I got it in Charlotte, North Carolina.
No kidding. I was expecting to hear somewhere out west.
No. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you camp in it?
Yes.
That's awesome. That's cool. Lord. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen one this color. I love it. Yours? Yeah.
John, the owner of this place,
body color wire wheels. That's interesting.
Thank you. Wow, they must be
Right? It's like the wiring got spray painted. I mean, just here, just put some sheet metal together and throw some wheels on it.
Like a tractor with a roof.
It is, yeah. It's not going to be as cool as that steam-powered tractor, though.
It's not going to be.
This would be fun.
Did you film the last year's show? Did you
Yeah.
put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
I've seen it.
You've seen it?
Yeah, I watched it about a week and a half ago. Yeah,
Yeah.
Just looking around and.
I actually gave a car away live at that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Got that one. Or announced the winner, I guess I should say.
I thought I recognized it.
Yeah.
Where you guys announced
The Volkswagen, yeah, the Mark II. Yeah, we had I had a 1989 Jetta diesel that I gave away on the channel. Yeah. I got another one coming. It's a white. It's a white one, turbo diesel. Yep.
I love those things.
I do too, for some dumb reason.
No, they're great. They're great.
It's
It's
just-
not a dumb reason.
Is this yours?
No,
No.
I work.
Oh, you work here. Okay, so I had a TR3 motor redone here about a year ago.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm working on a TR3 project right
Fantastic.
now.
Yeah. We've got a couple. We just put a TR3 out the door, and we've got another one.
The green one, was it the green one that went out the door?
Actually, technically, that's now the third one. Yeah, since I've been here. That's
Yeah, the apple green one. Yep.
Yeah.
That was beautiful. The white one is beautiful. I saw it in there. That's beautiful too. Very cool. Yep. Yeah, I think it's about time. It's about time.
Yeah, the people don't stay here that long.
We got it here.
We got here at the right time. Another year. That was cool. I can't believe it's been a year since we gave away that car, that Volkswagen.
Yeah,
That was here.
That's what you did it.
That's what we did it here. Yeah. So. All right, YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Uh,